Did you know that your kidneys could be slowly deteriorating without you even realizing it? From fatigue to swelling, bad breath, and even itchy skin, these are just a few of the hidden signs your kidneys may be crying for help. But here's the good news. You can actually support and heal your kidneys simply by adjusting what you drink every day. In this video, we'll uncover the top 10 drinks that can work wonders for your kidney health. Whether you're dealing with high creatinine levels or just want to ensure your kidneys are functioning optimally, these drinks can make a world of difference. Stick around, because number one on this list is a simple natural beverage you can add to your routine today for almost instant benefits. Before we jump into the list, let's quickly talk about the symptoms of poor kidney health that you should never ignore. If you're experiencing chronic fatigue, difficulty concentrating, swelling in your feet and ankles, persistent itching, bad breath, or a metallic taste in your mouth, these could be red flags that your kidneys aren't working properly. When your kidneys aren't functioning well, waste and toxins build up in your body, leading to these symptoms. But the right drinks can help your kidneys detoxify, reduce inflammation, and support healthy function. Let's take a look at the drinks that could give your kidneys the boost they need, starting with 10. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea is a hidden gem when it comes to kidney health. Traditionally used in herbal medicine, it acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it helps increase the production of urine. This is crucial for your kidneys because it aids them in flushing out excess water, salts, and toxins more effectively, reducing their workload. When your kidneys are functioning optimally, they prevent the buildup of waste products in the body, which can lead to various kidney issues. Dandelion root tea also contains potent antioxidants like beta-carotene and polyphenols, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney damage. Moreover, dandelion helps reduce swelling and bloating caused by water retention, which can be a symptom of poor kidney function. Drinking dandelion root tea regularly can not only cleanse your kidneys, but also improve your overall hydration and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent addition to your daily routine for maintaining kidney health. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is widely known for its detoxifying and cleansing properties, but it's especially beneficial for your kidneys. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar helps break down and dissolve kidney stones, making it easier for your body to pass them. This can be a lifesaver for those prone to kidney stones, which can be incredibly painful and harmful to kidney function over time. Additionally, ACV can help balance your body's pH levels, creating a more alkaline environment that promotes kidney health. This is essential for preventing the formation of kidney stones, which thrive in acidic conditions. Drinking a diluted solution of apple cider vinegar can also help reduce blood pressure, which is a critical factor in maintaining healthy kidneys. Consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with water daily can act as a preventative measure against kidney stones and improve your overall kidney function, making it an easy and effective way to protect your kidneys. 8. Cranberry juice. Unsweetened cranberry juice is famous for its role in promoting urinary tract health, but its benefits extend to your kidneys as well. Cranberry juice contains compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract and kidneys. This helps reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can sometimes travel up to the kidneys and cause serious infections. Cranberry juice also increases urine production, helping to flush out toxins and waste from the body, supporting healthy kidney function. However, it's important to choose unsweetened cranberry juice, as added sugars can negatively impact kidney health. By drinking unsweetened cranberry juice regularly, you're not only keeping your urinary system healthy, but also protecting your kidneys from infections and helping them function more effectively. 7. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple yet powerful drink for kidney health. The high concentration of citric acid in lemons helps prevent the formation of kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in your urine. Citrate binds to calcium, which helps dissolve smaller kidney stones and reduces the likelihood of new stones forming. Moreover, lemon water acts as a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins from your kidneys and supporting their ability to filter waste more effectively. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning helps kickstart your kidneys, ensuring they stay hydrated and ready to function at their best throughout the day. The additional hydration provided by lemon water helps prevent dehydration, a common cause of kidney stones, and ensures your kidneys are functioning optimally. Regular consumption can also help maintain a balanced pH level in your body, promoting overall health. Adding freshly squeezed lemon juice to your water is a simple habit that can go a long way in keeping your kidneys healthy. 6. Green tea. Green tea is well known for its powerful antioxidant properties, making it an excellent choice for protecting and supporting kidney health. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can damage your kidneys over time. By neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, green tea can help prevent chronic kidney disease and slow the progression of existing kidney problems. It also has mild diuretic properties, encouraging the production of urine and aiding the kidneys in flushing out toxins more efficiently. Additionally, green tea can help regulate blood pressure, which is critical for kidney health. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage, and by helping to lower it, green tea supports overall kidney function. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily can make a significant difference in maintaining the health of your kidneys and preventing future complications. 5. Cucumber juice. Cucumber juice is one of the most hydrating and refreshing drinks you can consume, and it's particularly beneficial for your kidneys. Made up of 95% water, cucumbers provide ample hydration, which is essential for keeping your kidneys functioning at their best. Proper hydration helps your kidneys flush out excess waste, salts, and toxins from the body, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other related issues. Cucumber juice also has natural anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe irritated or inflamed kidneys. Furthermore, cucumbers contain nutrients like potassium and magnesium, which support overall kidney health by balancing electrolytes and preventing fluid retention. Drinking cucumber juice regularly can help reduce bloating and water retention, both of which are common symptoms of poor kidney function. It's an easy, low-calorie option that can be incorporated into your diet to promote kidney health and overall wellness. 4. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is a potent anti-inflammatory drink that can significantly benefit your kidneys. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading causes of kidney damage, and ginger's active compounds, such as gingerol, work to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys. Ginger also helps enhance circulation, ensuring that blood flows efficiently through your kidneys, which is essential for filtering out toxins and waste products. By improving circulation and lowering blood pressure, ginger tea can also protect against hypertension, one of the most common causes of kidney disease. Additionally, ginger tea is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, a key factor in preventing further kidney damage. Drinking ginger tea regularly can also support digestion and boost immunity, both of which contribute to overall kidney function. A cup of ginger tea a day is a great addition to your routine. 3. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is an incredibly effective drink for promoting kidney health, especially for those with high blood pressure. Known for its ability to naturally lower blood pressure, hibiscus tea can help prevent kidney damage caused by hypertension. Lowering blood pressure reduces the strain on the kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. Additionally, hibiscus tea has diuretic properties, meaning it encourages the kidneys to flush out excess water, salts, and toxins from the body. This is particularly important for those who suffer from fluid retention, as hibiscus tea helps alleviate swelling and bleeding by promoting healthy urine production. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus tea also helps protect the kidneys from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from further damage, making hibiscus tea an excellent choice for long-term kidney health. With its vibrant flavor and powerful health benefits, incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine can make a significant difference in maintaining healthy kidney function. 2. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is one of the most hydrating drinks you can consume, and it offers immense benefits for your kidneys. With its high water content, over 90%, watermelon juice supports optimal hydration, which is crucial for kidney function. Hydrated kidneys are better able to filter waste and toxins from the bloodstream, helping to prevent the formation of kidney stones. Watermelon juice is also naturally low in potassium, making it a safer choice for individuals with kidney concerns who need to manage their potassium intake. Additionally, watermelon contains compounds like lycopene, an antioxidant that can help protect your kidneys from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. The natural diuretic effect of watermelon juice helps increase urine production, flushing out toxins and excess salts from the body. Regularly consuming watermelon juice can not only keep you hydrated, but also support your kidneys in their natural detoxification process, making it a refreshing and health-boosting drink for kidney health. 1. Water. Water is, without a doubt, the most important drink for kidney health. Your kidneys rely heavily on proper hydration to perform their vital function of filtering waste and toxins from the blood. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys can't produce enough urine to eliminate these harmful substances, leading to a buildup of toxins in the body. Drinking plenty of water helps prevent kidney stones by diluting the substances in your urine that cause stones to form, such as calcium and oxalate. Water also helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels, which is critical for protecting your kidneys from damage over time. Without enough water, your kidneys are forced to work harder to concentrate the urine, which can lead to kidney stress and eventually kidney disease. It's recommended to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, but the amount may vary based on your activity level, climate, and specific health needs. Staying properly hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support your kidneys and ensure they function optimally. Before you start adding these drinks to your routine, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, if you have kidney problems, watch your potassium intake. Drinks like watermelon juice are great, but too much potassium can be harmful if your kidneys can't filter it properly. Always check with your doctor, especially if you're managing a kidney condition. Also, some drinks like hibiscus tea and dandelion root tea are natural diuretics, which help flush out toxins. But be careful. Too much of these without enough water can lead to dehydration. It's important to stay hydrated with plenty of plain water to keep your kidneys in top shape. Another thing to watch for is sugar. When you're drinking cranberry juice or teas, always go for the unsweetened versions. Added sugars can harm your kidneys and lead to other problems like diabetes, which can make kidney issues worse. Lastly, even though these drinks are good for your kidneys, make sure they complement your regular water intake. Water is still the #1 essential drink for kidney health. And if you already have a kidney condition, always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet to ensure it's safe and effective for you. So, there you have it. the top 10 drinks that can help support and heal your kidneys. From the powerful antioxidants in green tea to the hydrating benefits of cucumber juice, these drinks can make a big difference in maintaining healthy kidney function. Remember, staying hydrated and making mindful choices about what you drink is key to keeping your kidneys working efficiently. Whether you're trying to prevent kidney issues or support your kidney health long term, incorporating these beverages into your daily routine is a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Dr. Ceto for more tips on staying healthy. And share this video with someone who might benefit from these kidney-friendly drinks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.